Hi, I'm Camille Osterman. I am here at BAOP from Project Adventure. We're a small nonprofit based out of Beverly, Massachusetts, and we work with students from kindergarten all the way through college, bringing adventure to them and helping them develop their social emotional learning skills through those adventure experiences. Today, we worked with the 6th and 7th graders at BAOP, and they had a really great time being silly, playing together, having fun, and figuring out how to work together through some various challenges and just interesting things that they had to figure out in those issues. Really practiced listening to each other and taking turns and how to respond when they make mistakes.
Hi, I'm Julia with Project Adventure. With the students today, we worked on activities that challenged them individually and as groups. In our reflection, students were able to reflect and name what skills they used when working as a group and how to address challenges in a space with others. It was cool.
Hi, it's Ali Knutson. Today with the 6th graders, we did a lot of play and just got to see how they interacted with each other. It was really interesting to see the natural leads kind of take control of the group and learning how to navigate a space where we need to create a plan and execute a plan as a team, and how do we treat other people on the team, and what do we need from other people as we work together as a team.
Hi, I'm Gabby and I work with Project Adventure. We just finished up with Bronx Academy of Promise with the 6th graders. The 6th graders exhibited so much integrity in one of our games. Every time they lost a spot and I didn't see it, they told me that they lost it. They also broke one of my toys and immediately told me, and just showed so much integrity and honesty and kindness amongst the students, and it was really cool to see.
Project Adventure was very fun, and I had a good time cooperating with my friends.
Okay, so what I think about today, it was achievementful, and it was like teamwork and stuff. And you are capable of what you do, and you work as a team. And yeah, you could do anything you want, and just remember that.
Today I had a good day, and the teachers were very fun and comforting, and they made me feel comfortable.
Today I had a very fun time with my friends, and I hope they return again.
What I learned about today, it was fun, and I hope we do this again.
What I think about today was it was amazing. I had a lot of fun, and I'm glad that BAOP helped us do this. Project Adventure was really fun. When you get to middle school, I hope you really enjoy it. Please come to BAOP.